In this video, I'll show you how to use Robinhood for growth investing in a simple way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the search bar, then start by looking for companies that are growing fast, like those increasing their revenue or expanding into new markets. Tap on a stock and review the chart and company details. Look for consistent upward trends over time and strong performance. Growth investing focuses on companies that have the potential to increase in value over the long term. Once you find a stock you believe in, tap Buy, enter your amount, and confirm your investment. Instead of putting all your money into one stock, choose a few growth companies to spread your risk. Next, go to your profile icon and set up recurring investments. This helps you keep investing regularly without trying to time the market. You can also track your portfolio from the main screen, but avoid reacting to short-term price drops. Growth investing works best when you stay patient and focused on the long term. Over time, your investments can grow as the companies continue to expand. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.